Hello guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and like my videos. If you have any queries or suggestion, please comment. And for beginners, please watch my old videos. If you are Tamil peoples, you can watch my old videos. It is in Tamil. For English, I have now translated uh, for the English channel. So further, all videos will be on English. I hope everyone will consider this and support me. So coming to the topic for the post market report today, Bank Nifty, and also today is a expiry day. So as I said yesterday on my pre-market analysis, I will I hope you guys watched my video. If you not watched, please watch that video and come back here so that you can able to understand. So this is levels which I marked yesterday. I showed you on the videos. So please watch and come back here. So this is for short levels. This is for long. As per my analysis, I have said you yesterday. Like here, once it's broken, it has to go here. This is the first level profit, and then you have to trial the stop loss or close the position. As I said earlier video. Okay, as per the resistance. What market today opened the gap up, so it was perfectly respected the levels and it's taken resistance and come back. Okay, this is the price action. Okay, it should respect the levels. So if so as I said, if it is open here, it has to go here, right? So it is open the gap up, it was perfectly taken resistance and returned. So the first profit itself here, but we cannot able to take here because today is a expiry day, and also this is not that much risk reward will give. Okay, so you have to wait whether here you need to take retracement. If it is take retracement, you can go to this levels for the profit booking, but it is not happen. It was returning, and also for expiry day, I already said in the first half, please wait. Okay, so normally it will be on a sideways day. Okay, on the second half only we can able to see whether it will be any movements or any other like any other positions has been taken by sellers. If any huge movements, then we can able to trade better with the better opportunities. So we have to wait for the better opportunities. So as per today, it's not go went long. Once it's broken, taken resistance and come back. See, so we cannot able to go long. So the second step, as I said, we have to wait like this level, the second level. Okay, if it is broken this levels, we can go for short, but this is not happen before itself market has been closed. Okay, we can able to take here. Actually, this is once first candle and the first swing low has been broken, but due to the expiry day, the movement will not that much. So our premium will be reduced as per the theta decay. So this is the thing. So we don't want to take a risk that much on expiry days on the first half. Okay, as I said in the earlier videos also. So on the second half, we expected some movements, but it has to it shows like a long position, but it is returning because already we have a resistance. So we don't want to go for long. Once breaken only, we have to plan accordingly. So it is not happen. So it is returning. After broken here, we can able to scalp something like here. Okay, but not sure because of the expiry day. We cannot able to wait for a long time, and also the end of the day we cannot able to wait. Okay, so this is a risky scalp only, but we can for the beginners don't want to trade this kind of thing. Okay, once get experience, you can do like scalping here and there. Okay, to get small profits. Okay, because here some resistance levels and support levels will be there. So if it is and also in the expiry days, sometimes it will reverse from here, and with the huge candle, with the single candles break every levels and hitting our stop losses. that will be result to huge loss. Okay, that is the thing. So always follow the levels, and once it's our setup as showing on the screen, then enter into the market. Until don't agree with the movement of candles, it will be result to some huge losses also. Sometimes on luck we will get some profits, but not every time. So that is the strategies. That's the process of share market trading. Okay. So as per our levels, which I showed you yesterday video, there is no trading today. Okay, because this is not a trending day. Okay, just market is coming back s- slowly. Okay, so for buyers there is no opportunity because I'm mostly uh, showing for buyers only, because for sellers there will be opportunity on expiry day. Okay, that I will explain the separate videos also, separate topics, because there is no theta like there is a theta decay. The sellers can able to earn that much if even on sideways days. Okay, so they can able to earn on this kind of days. So that is the thing. On buyers, we don't want to risk on this sideways days. Only on trending days we can able to trade with good profits with our perfect risk rewards. Okay, so this is the thing. So as per our level and predictions, it's not broken any levels. So we don't want to trade if don't not traded, we can save. Okay, if we like see here the example, the big green candle. Okay, if someone going for long position, okay, if we take for scalping, we can get some profit, but we are not sure it will go here. See, after that it will be like coming down very slowly, and big red bar, it will be come to the huge loss and hitting our stop losses here. Okay, and the end of the day it will come fully to until this strong support. Can you able to see, I already drawn this one strong support, perfectly respected and closed the market on the support level. This is called price action. Okay, fine. No, I don't want to take that much time. This is a post-market report for the today expiry day. We'll see you on next video with pre-market levels for tomorrow, Friday. Thank you. Take care.